Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on FreshBooks. So this is going to be particularly useful when it comes to sending invoices to your customers or clients. So make sure to stick around in order to learn step by step on how to actually create an invoice on FreshBooks. So what we're going to do first is go onto our FreshBooks account, and then on the left-hand side, you're going to see the estimates and invoices and payments tabs. So what you're going to do is click on invoices. So on this tab here, I do want to go ahead and point out the differences between estimates and invoices. So according to ChatGPT, an estimate provides a preliminary cost calculation for a project, whereas an invoice is a bill requesting payment for completed services or products. So they are a bit interchangeable in my opinion, but you can actually go ahead and pause the video in case you're actually wondering what the difference is between estimates, proposals, and invoices. And even so, ChatGPT actually gives you a summary. So an estimate is a rough cost prediction, whereas an invoice is a request for payment after services have been rendered. So in this case, I am going to show you how to actually request an invoice. So going back onto our FreshBooks account, we're going to go in and click on New Invoice. And then from here, you can drag and drop your logo. Now, first you want to click on Select the Client, and we'll just go ahead and use Green Earth Solutions. The date of issue, you can actually go ahead and, this is where I would actually put when the services were rendered. So let's say it was rendered today, and then we're going to give them about 7 days to actually pay out the invoice. So you can see the date of issue is today. The due date is 11/8. Invoice number, we'll just give this a random number, but usually I do go in order as far as sending out invoices go. Now, if you scroll down, this is where you're going to enter your items or services that you've rendered. So here, let's say we added rocks, and then we also did some video editing. So total is $20. And then afterwards, you can also add attachments, let's say pictures of the services being rendered. You could also add some notes here, and then also enter some terms or conditions. Next, what you could actually do from this point is that if you click on the settings tab, there's actually a bunch of other settings that you can do for this invoice. So you can actually accept online payments. You can customize the invoice style as far as changing the template, color, and font goes. You could actually make this a recurring invoice. So let's say that you're doing video editing every single month. You can make this invoice recur automatically. You can actually send email reminders as well, charge late fees. So a lot of different customization settings, which is what I really like about FreshBooks as far as how to actually go ahead and set up a new invoice for a client. Lastly, once you click on send to, it should be sent to the email of whoever your client is here. But that is actually how you create a new invoice on FreshBooks. So if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.